If there is one thing developers hate, it is meetings that could have been emails. As a technical project manager, your calendar is your primary tool, but for your team, an empty calendar is a blessing. In Module 2, we are talking about the rhythm. We usually run in 2-week cycles called sprints. Your job is to facilitate 4 specific events during this cycle. If you run these well, you won't need to tap people on the shoulder and ask for status updates. First, sprint planning. This happens on the morning of day 1. You, the product owner, and the team look at the backlog and move items into the sprint backlog. The goal here is commitment. The team looks at the work and says, yes, we believe we can finish these 10 items in the next 2 weeks. Once the sprint starts, we try not to add any new work. Second, and most importantly, is the daily stand-up or daily scrum. This is where most technical project managers fail. This meeting is not for you to collect status updates for your boss. It is for the developers to sync with each other. Keep it to 15 minutes. Strict. Everyone answers 3 questions. What did I do yesterday to help advance the sprint goal? What will I do today? And do I have any blockers? If 2 developers start solving a problem during the stand-up, cut them off. Gently say, let's take this to a sidebar after the meeting. We call this conceptually the parking lot. On the final day of the sprint, you have 2 bookends. First, the sprint review. This is show and tell. The team demonstrates the working software to stakeholders. If it is not finished, don't demo it. Finally, the retrospective. This is family time. No stakeholders allowed, just the team. You ask what went well, what went wrong, and how can we get even 1% better next time? Your action item for this module is simple: consistency. Set these meetings for the same time, same day, every sprint. Below, I've included a ceremony cheat sheet with the exact agendas you need for each meeting. Download it, send the invites, and I'll see you in Module 3.